Today we're going to talk about a question that keeps popping up, and it's whether or not your PTO can use Venmo or PayPal to accept like money from parents. And the answer is actually no, unless you have a business account. Venmo in particular is set up for peer-to-peer, like person-to-person money transfers, and in actuality, your PTO is a business, so it would not qualify. And so if you want to accept credit cards or transfers like that, then you're going to need to set up a business account. I think Venmo is just rolling out new features. I think I got a notification I have about that, and I really haven't checked it out quite yet, to be totally honest with you. But you cannot use a normal Venmo account. It is against their terms of service, and you will get shut down and could potentially get banned from the service. So I wouldn't do that. I would just follow the rules, and I would get the right account set up. And also same for PayPal. You're not supposed to be doing you're not supposed to have just a regular account. You need to have probably a business account or a nonprofit account. And I know that you are probably trying to avoid the fees that come along with using credit cards or transferring money like that, but you are better off using a service like Cheddar Up if you want to do that. I have a really good blog post that explains how I use that service. I will link to that other video actually, and the blog post below, so you can check that out. But that is my recommended way to accept money, because you can either accept the fees, so you can eat the fees, your group can eat the fees, the transaction fees, or you can have the user who is taking advantage of the service pay them. So it's it provides flexibility, and I don't think I found that with anything else. So anyway, just bottom line, do not be using Venmo for your PTO. It is the wrong way to go. And you just don't want to risk getting shut down and not having access to that personally. So play by the rules, go get yourself a business account, because that's what your PTO is. So that is it for today. If you have a question that you would like answered, go ahead and pop it in the comments below, or you can email me directly at Christina@PTOanswers.com. Thanks so much, and I really look forward to hearing from you. And also, would you do me a favor and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet? And until next time, I will see you then. Bye-bye.